find the volume of a 60-piece star, you have to first find the volume of the interior and then add on the little spiky things. So this shape is actually called a pentachus dodecahedron. And then from each of these little triangle pieces, you have one of these spikes coming out. So you have 30 in total. And the volume for a pentachus dodecahedron is V equals 5 over 36, 41 plus 25, square root of 5s. So you calculate that, and then you add on the volume of these spikes, which can actually be calculated by taking one of these shapes, which is 3 of these small origami pieces, fold in such a way so you get a two pyramids stacked on top of each other type of shape. So you find that by taking the volume of each of these pyramids and adding them together. So the volume of the pyramid is V equals 1/3 AH, in which A is the area of the base and H is the height from the center of the base to the apex. Now, the base of the pyramid is an equilateral triangle in which each side is S. And to find the volume of that, split this in half and use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out this height, which ends up being 3/4 S squared. And then from there, you can find the area of the base. Then you find the apex, which I have no idea how to do. You multiply them together and divide it by 3, and then you multiply it by 2, because there's 2 of these in each of these pieces that fit perfectly into the spike, and you multiply that whole thing by 30 since there are 30 spikes. And then from there, you add the 30 spikes, so we'll just call the volume of the spike D, plus the volume of the pentachus dodecahedron, and you get the total volume of the 60-piece star.